Good afternoon. Why am I so close to the camera? Maybe if I just sit back. I just woke up. It is noon because I spent the majority of my night editing. Diary of a YouTube content creator, I guess. Maybe I should probably like wash my teeth, brush my face, wash my behind, then probably come on camera and talk to y'all because I'm pretty sure that y'all can probably smell my breath through this camera. Let me go do that. I look like someone's mammy. It's not giving. Well, that's a bit better. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome to Junior's Journey. Today, it's raining. So what do? Throw some makeup on. Where am I going? Absolutely nowhere. I figured since I'm home and not doing anything right now, I might as well just record a makeup tutorial. Remember 2016, where makeup used to be fun? It used to be colorful and bright and super glam and exciting. I decided to recreate one of my old looks. I'm gonna post it up somewhere on the screen and see if I can do it justice this time around, almost 10 plus years later. If you wanna see how that ends up, just follow along. Hello, real up close and personal. You get to see all my baggies and my eye things. Get into frame. First thing, I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. eyeshadow primer base because I don't even really know if I have oily lids anymore, y'all. So I'm going to prime up my lids like so. Perfect-ish, right? Yeah, just to be a little extra because I have dark lids. So I'm going to put this no, it's not an eye thing. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm putting on this concealer from the brand called Thread. The color is tan golden. So I'm gonna put that on my eyelids just to kind of mute out my darkness. And I want the colors to show up and pop. Trying to stay in the frame here and not deviate too much from what I'm doing. I'm going to take this crayon I'm taking this matte book Crayola case and I'm going to take this peachy color as my transition color and we'll start from there. I'm taking an old fluffy brush like this, so if you got a fluffy brush, oh my goodness, don't mind my mess. Grab your fluffy brush and we're gonna just start working it into our crease. If it looks patchy, don't worry. Makeup usually looks patchy. Don't listen to me. Don't listen to me. You see that little hair? I'm taking this ABH Norvina palette, looking real unused. So I'm gonna go in probably with this kind of orange color. We want her bright, y'all. I'm gonna take this fluffy kind of brush that I got from Morphe, and I'm also gonna continue working that into the crease. So, and don't worry, not only are you gonna stick it into your crease, but you're also going to kind of swivel it out into your inner and outer corner. Y'all, this is bringing me back. Gonna take some orange. I also like to break out in random songs. So where am I going tonight? I'm going to praise and worship practice. It's not as if I'm going to like a major concert, y'all. They're gonna see me show up and they're like, what's going on? I started a YouTube. What if I just started heavily breathing? Then what would everybody do? Probably unsubscribe. Don't do that. Ooh, brother, ooh. This is what you get. And feel free with that original brush that you have that peach color in. And if the edges are a bit too harsh, what you can do is you can go ahead and soften them up a bit Next color I'm going to take is a deeper orange kind of color. And I'm gonna go back into this Norvina palette. I'm going to take this really hot neon orange color and I'm going to put it on the inner and outer corner of my eyes because obviously this was like a halo kind of look. I haven't done anything this colorful in goodness knows how long. And take your other fluffy brush that you had that first orange on and buff those edges. Now to the fun part. We're gonna take the blue. I don't know how this is gonna work, but I'm praying that it works because blue and orange are opposites on the color wheel. Well, I've had this color for actually quite some time. It's by Kiss. It's this really, really pretty royal blue and the camera is really doing a good job of picking it up. I'm gonna take this Morphe pencil brush thing, I guess, and I'm going to also work that on the far inner and outer corner of my eye. Oof, baby, we're gonna see how this works. Normally, blue and orange neutralize each other. It's okay. I'm gonna just pack it on like so, right? And pray avidly. Pat it in because we don't want to diffuse too much of it. And then I'm just flicking that blue outward. Do the thing. Just. Brr. Am I worried? Of course. And I'm taking a bit more of that orange that's left over on that brush and then kind of going over top of it. And don't know how to feel about it, bro. Why did you convince me to do this? Who convinced me to try this again? Yeah, you want to bring it as close to the inner corner as you possibly can. It's gonna look a little wild at first, but we're gonna save it. We're gonna fix it. Keep taking that orange and buffing it out if you really need to. She's starting to look like something, y'all. I don't know what she's looking like, but it's something. You know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? It should kind of look like this. Don't quote me, I just work here. So I kind of fixed it. Okay. I can kind of see the vision. All right, so next thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back into that Norvina palette, right? And actually, no, don't listen to me at all, but pay attention to what I'm about to just say for a second. I'm going to take my concealer again and I'm going to clean up the middle because she's a halo eye and she needs to be halo eyeing, okay? We're gonna take the concealer and pop it in the middle, relax our eyes, look up a bit. Ugh, my goodness, it looks so gross. We're gonna kind of trace that line, you figure deal me, like this. And then we're gonna just clean up that middle. Trust the process. Stop, collaborate, and listen. Yar. And I believe in the picture, I had kind of this, I don't know, this kind of champagne-y type of color in the very center. So I'm going back into this Norvina palette and I don't know what color. I think maybe I'll do this one. And I'm going to get this kind of like, this is fluffy brush and I'm going to dip it into this champagne color. It could look like this. Then I'm going to take some setting spray and I'm going to spritz it like that. And I'm gonna pop it in the middle. Ooh. I mean, can we be mad? Right, do the same thing on the other eye. Don't be shy. All right, so she's looking like something. It needs a bit more cohesion. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back into the Norvina palette. We're gonna get that nice bright orange and then we're gonna mold and kind of melt that blue right here. Gosh, everybody's texting me today on both sides, okay? Ooh, fire. What's next? Are you guys wondering what's next? I am, because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm going to take this LA Girl Ultimate Intense Auto Stay Liner, right? And this is in the color Super Bright. And I'm going to line my lower lash line or inner waterline. Good job, Cookie. We're gonna take that blue that we had, and this time we are going to just go underneath on our lower lash line like this. And we're not done. Seems like in the picture, I also took some orange. So I'm going to take that crayon case palette, and I'm going to take this orange, and we're going to see how this works, because I don't know. And I'm going to run it very lightly underneath that blue, like almost in my eye bag area. That actually did not go as planned. I'm going to clean that up. She's looking kind of crazy. I think, okay, I did what I could to fix it. And yeah, that was absolutely terrifying. I want to highlight a bit of my inner corner and brow bone. Kind of want a subtle shimmer. So I'm taking this really wrecked e.l.f. highlighter. As you see, it used to be shaped like a dome, and I broke it because I dropped it because I'm clumsy and I have no home training, it feels like. So I'm going to take that color and see if I could scrape off as much as I can off of this, and pack that into my inner corner. Put a little bit on that brow bone. The eye look is, she's kind of giving, guys. She's kind of giving. So I'm gonna go pop on my eyelashes and throw on a little mascara, and then I'll zoom you guys out for the lip look. All right, we are back. Obviously, I don't have the same lipstick combo that I had in this picture. She was looking rather kind of pinky pale, so I'm going to not do what I did back in 2013, and I'm going to line my lips. And this is an NK makeup liner pen lip liner thing in the color brown. For the lips, I'm gonna go in with this Essence semi-matte lipstick in the color Naughty, and I got this from my local drugstore. I got this from CVS for about like $4. Oh, she's pink. I was not expecting all that. It's this Wet n Wild Mega Last liquid catsuit lip gloss high shine lipstick, whatever it's called, in the color Send Nudes. But it's not bad. So this is the final look. I think I did pretty good. I don't think I wasn't expecting for it to come out like this 13 years later, but here we are. Ooh, let's zoom you out. Wait, no, don't zoom out too much. Well, thank you guys so much for watching my tutorial on how to revive a look for the new ages. I'm not really good at intros and outros, but I appreciate y'all for being here. God bless you. Stay tuned for more content. Maybe I might do more makeup looks like this in the future, in the near future. Who knows? Let's see how this does. Feel free to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you stay up to date with whatever I'm doing. Yeah. Love you. Bye.